All right, y'all. Welcome on. Today is Wednesday, December the 9th. It is 7:35 a.m. All right. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the markets and figure out what opportunities may present themselves today during the New York session. All right. Yesterday I in yesterday was a good trade, I believe, but we were just way too early. So I ended up exiting. Um ended up being a little uptrend, right? and I'm sorry, let me look at this. Move that out of the way. We had okay. Sorry about that. All right. So yes, so looking at the dates, Wednesday, Tuesday, yeah. So yesterday ended up being overall bullish day overall. And but our idea, I believe, is still valid. And as we can see, there is an uptrend going on right now, but and it looks like we may actually get a retracement. All right. I actually want to enter this before it is too late. Right. Really quickly. Try to take that. Okay. It's about a 1-to-1. This is probably going to come down to about here. All right. Sorry about that. I did not want to miss that. All right. So taking a look at the stochastic, it looks like we're in overbought territory. All right. Right now I'm taking a look at the 30-minute and I am on GBP, Great British Pound CAD. All right, Great British Pound CAD. Also looking at the daily, remember we are overall bearish. Okay, overall bearish. We see we got the MA or the MACD cross. All right, signaling the beginning of a downtrend. It is in a no trade zone because basically it's mapping off this as this low area here that we marked off this support level as the bottom of the zone, which is will be your buy zone, and then this will be a sell zone. All right, so in the middle on the daily, uh, it's a no trade zone, right? But we can see some other opportunities if we drill down in the shorter time frames. All right. So just beware that there is some buyers momentum going on right now. All right. So that basically means that if we're going against, basically we want to be in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. On the 4 hour, we are getting across on the MACD, but remember, in our MACD strategy, we know that sorry, we know that I forgot my tea downstairs. We know that the cross, it doesn't account for the pullback. All right. So we're just getting that cross on the 4 hour, and the stochastic is saying that it's in overbought territory. So we're in sellers territory on the 4 hour. We're looking on the 2 hour. The 2 hour is saying the exact same thing. There is a cross, but the stochastic is also telling us that we're in overbought territory. All right. 30-minute overbought territory. All right. 15-minute. All right. We're almost in buyer's territory. So that is something to look out for. And then on the 5-minute, we're getting across. All right. And we are in buyer's territory. So this could get a little interesting overall. I also see what appears to be either a triple top, or you could call this a head and shoulders pattern. So we got a head and shoulders pattern, we got a cross in the MACD. All right. So I have more signs that's telling me that price is going to, and also it's in an upward trend, right? And basically this level here that we have mapped off, all right, is our level of support. And could it keep going up? It absolutely can, right? It absolutely can. But we would like to see that pullback at some point, okay? The other thing that we can do is we could throw the fib on this. All right, let's go to the Fibonacci trend started about here. Work this way. Yeah. All right. So okay. So basically, this is telling me that we could get a even bigger retracement. All right. Back down to the 50% mark of this trend, which is about this area. All right. Even this pivot point. So we want to be aware of that as well. Okay. The telltale sign is going to be if this R1 level really holds. If this R1 level holds, then it could continue to rise up. Let's go back out. Let's drop this off. Let's go back to 2 hour time frame. All right, because I did have an order open on this, but when I look at this, how the support was all the way down here, I didn't like, even though there is some support here. Okay, we do see support here, multiple areas of support. That's why I said we want to see this level hold. If this level doesn't break soon, then price probably could continue upward, right? But again, I want to see if this level holds, all right? And there's just so many signs that are saying that this level may not hold, all right? So again, just based on all my key levels that I like to read for the short term, we're going to see how that plays out in the next 30 minutes to really 45 minutes to an hour. And we're going to see if this level holds. All right. Okay. All right. So that is GBP CAD. And let's go over to TradingView. All right. See if I can make it. There we go. It's much better. All right. So we have a cross on the MACD on this stochastic. I'm sorry. And we see that on the hourly, we're on AUDJPY, that we're in overbought territory, right? We're in overbought territory. Okay. Let's go out. Let's just start out. I always want to do my top down. So let's make this a little bigger. All right. So we have some mess going on where it's, it's failing to break, but overall we are in still overbought territory. All right, which means sell for people who don't understand that. All right. Just looking to see if there's anything that I could see that a possible double top could be on the way. All right, where price comes up, it doesn't break this level, and then it shoots back down. So that'll be interesting to see if price breaks that level. So in the short term, price could come up a little bit more. Just taking a look at that. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Same thing, 4 hour is skyrocketing. All right. Also, let's throw a trend line on here. Oops. Let's put it right there. So again, as you can see, price broke that trend line like it was going to come down, and then it ended up shooting right back up into the trend. All right. So like we were saying, price could come back up a little bit more before this trend is ultimately broken. All right. So again, we want to see that. We want to see that level. So I will wait until price actually hits that level, because it doesn't look like it's that much. Yeah. It's not that much on that one. So you might as well just wait for a better entry. All right. On the 2 hour, we are getting that cross. Okay. But again, as we know, price could come back up just a little bit more. Hourly, we're getting that cross. Let's go down to the 30. We got the cross. We also want to look for any engulfing candles that would basically signal start of a new trend. All right. So we're basically looking for the first engulfing red candle, all right? When I say engulfing, I mean one that takes over the whole consolidation area. For an example, like kind of like this one here, where you had all these 30-minute candles that, you know, they were basically in a range, they were consolidating, it wasn't really going anywhere. And you got that one candle that just the body of it, you know, not including the wick, is uh way larger than the whole entire consolidation area. All right. I'm sorry, tripping. I'll give you another example of it. And that's really like the best example that I see, right? You can kind of say that. All right. Gave that this candle signal this this whole move from here to here, right? So this also could, you know, price could also really turn around here, right? Could this be a head and shoulders? Possibly. Definitely possibly. All right. So you know, I would overall remain bearish overall. 15 minute. All right. Um 15 minute, we're getting to oversold territory. So yeah, I will wait on this definitely. Yes, I would definitely wait on this, and because you could get a better entry, right? So we may want to mark this up on the actual daily chart here. See if it's any key levels. All right. All right. Now that we got our line, we can trail down. It's the only thing I do not like about TradingView. Like, gotta zoom in so much. All right, so basically, we're thinking about a short position from here. We're not gonna be greedy. We're just gonna what? Yep, I'm about right there. But we don't need all that risk. A little bit more than that. All right. So I mean, that's a little bit under 1-to-1, but again, I can't get that because for whatever reason it's so far at the top. There we go. Let's do it like this. All right, that's so much better. It's a much better idea. All right, so let's move on to the next one. AUD CAD. I think we did AUD CAD, or was that GBP CAD? All right, y'all. So this level does look like it's holding. Had to go back because this the live trade. It's 8:55. Let's go to the daily. Daily something. Daily saying buy. All right, y'all. So I think we're gonna kill this idea. I think we're gonna stay with the buy on this one. Ooh, can't do that. Forgot just to turn the 200 into 1,000. Yeah, I like that. We definitely didn't get that 90 minutes or whatever. But like I said, this level is holding. And we're on the 5 minute. When I say this level, I mean this R1 level. Like, you know, I would have liked to see this. If it was going down, it would have been went down, would have just crashed down like it normally would. But overall, it is an uptrend. And we did have this trend here where this area was acting as support. So price could want to jump back into this trend. That is for sure possible. All right. So and we nail this trade, that will put us in a great position as far as the challenge. Right. So anyway. So yeah, I'm changing my bases on that one. Changing my bases because that level held. All right. Notice how I was able to. I took that small loss quick because I don't. You want to cut your losses quickly, man. Don't get stuck holding on to something that you don't feel good or you don't feel sure about. Right. I don't see GBP CAD up here. I know I'm not tripping. Yeah. Yeah, so that's that same thing. That's about where I would put it. Now let's go to Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. We got that cross, but at the same time, we have broken this next level. So we could be talking about the same thing. Just trying to get my TP and my stop in a good position. I'm reading left, predicting right, and just using this area here with price drop um as my exit. All right. The next area would be the top of this candle, but we don't want to have to bank on that, right? That's actually about 300 and so pips. It's a crazy trade that work out. 2 hour. Actually, we already went 2 hours. Let's go to the hour. Right. And I also put the entry over top of this high here. All right, because price could come up and come back down. So we want to protect ourselves against that. All right. This also could be a little head and shoulders as well. So GBP CAD, y'all, I think this is the last one. I think I did that one. GBP CAD, just did that one. JPY, we did that one. I think we did them all, y'all. I think we did them all. All right. The trade that we're going to stick with is this GBP CAD. All right. If this level holds, if this R1 level holds, okay, I really should put the stop there, to be honest, because I don't want this level to break. But I'll put it, yeah, I'm going to put it, right here. Real short stop, only because this the challenge, y'all. Gotta play defense in the challenge. Can't let them take the money away. Gotta put it underneath this because I don't want to get wicked out. All right, so in this case, we're risking 6 to make 17. I like that. All right, y'all. So I'll get these ideas posted, published. The video is up. It's done. That's my bias. Overall, you know, again, don't try to get in everything, right? Do your own analysis. These are my ideas. All right. And you know, you just get in where you fit in. Right? Get in where you fit in. You know, if you want to go against what I'm saying, that's fine too, right? So anyway, appreciate y'all for logging on. I'll get those ideas posted so that you could jump in or monitor them or, you know, practice them on demo, whatever the case may be. And y'all have a good one.